Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I am gonna show you how you can uh, upload your ads.txt file from Google Adsense to your hosting or your site. This is my site, cfdigital.site. If you are into blogging, you must be thinking of earning some money. For that you need Google Adsense approval. Uh, for connecting your site to Google Adsense, you have to install Google Site Kit, which I have installed here. Now if I sign into my AdSense account, let me sign in into my AdSense account first. Then I will show you what problem you must be facing while you are new on AdSense. So this is my AdSense account here. If I go to my sites, you can see I have already registered my site and send it to AdSense for AdSense approval. And here you can see one thing, ad.txt status, which is showing not found, because I did not have uploaded any ad.txt status in my site. So for that you need one thing, which is your publisher ID. You have to go to your account setting and account information. Here is your publisher ID, and this is a unique ID which are given to every AdSense user. So let me show you how you can upload your ad.txt file into your site. For that you have to log into your host. In my case I am using Razor host. It might be different in your case. You might be using Hostinger or something or anything like that, but the process is similar. So let me log in into my hosting provider. If I go to my hosting provider's plan, then you have to find your file manager. In my case, my file manager is here. Okay. Now into my file manager, you have to upload a file here in public.html folder. You can create ad.txt file in your system, then upload it by clicking upload, or you can create directly a file from here. Okay. So let me create a file into my system and upload it here. For that you need to put the publisher ID into correct format. For format you have to search in Google for the correct format, ad.txt format for AdSense. Now you have to click on this link. I will provide this link into in my description. Now copy this green line. You have to copy the whole item from here, and you have to create a new file which you have to name it ads.txt, and into it you have to paste the copied item from clipboard and replace your publisher ID with this publisher ID with your own publisher ID. Go to your settings, account information, and copy your publisher ID from here and paste it here. Now you have to save this file and upload it into your hosting. I am uploading it here. Okay, now I am going to select this file. I have put my file in desktop, so let me open it. Now the file file uploading has been completed. If I refresh this page, let me go to public.html. You can see the ad.txt file has been uploaded here. How you can check your ad.txt file has been uploaded or not? You have to put your website address, then put a slash and type ads.txt. Now you can see the ad.txt file is uploaded. Now wait for 2 to 3 days, or maybe in your case it must be depend on when Google bot will crawl on your site and find that you have already uploaded your ad.txt file. Then the status would be you can see 4 status. You will see authorized here. Just wait for 3 to 4 days. Usually it takes 3 to 4 days for updating it. Just wait it and your file will be uploaded shortly. So thank you for watching. If you want to I want to make a new series about how you can create a new website This playlist will be for absolute beginners. If you want to learn to create websites, just subscribe my channel, and this will be a big help to grow my channel. So thank you.